Hello friends, in the previous video we have seen the RTO road traffic signs, and in the today's video we will see RTO road traffic rules. So first question, near a pedestrian crossing, when the pedestrians are waiting to cross the road, you should stop the vehicle and wait till the pedestrian cross the road and then proceed. You are approaching a narrow bridge. Another vehicle is about to enter the bridge from opposite side. You should wait till the other vehicle crosses the bridge and then proceed. When a vehicle is involved in an accident causing injury to any person, take all responsible steps to secure medical attention to the injured and report to the nearest police station within a 24 hours. On a road designed as one way should not drive in a reverse gear. You can overtake a vehicle in front through the right side of that vehicle. When a vehicle approaches an unguarded railway level crossing, before crossing it, the driver shall stop the vehicle on the left side of the road, get down from the vehicle, go to the railway track and ensure that no train or trolley is coming from either side. How can you distinguish a transport vehicle? By looking at the number plate of the vehicle. Validity of learner's license 6 months. In a road without footpath, the pedestrians should walk on the right side of the road. Free passage should be given to the following types of vehicles. Vehicles with emergency alerts, vehicles proceeding from opposite direction should be allowed to pass through your right side. Driver of vehicle may overtake when the driver of vehicle in a front shows the sign to overtake. Driver of a motor vehicle shall drive through the left side of the road. When a vehicle is parked on the roadside during night, the park light should be remain lit. Fog lamps are used when there is a mist. Zebra lines are meant for pedestrian crossing. When an ambulance is approaching, the driver shall allow free passage for drawing to the side of the road. Red traffic light indicates stop the vehicle. Parking a vehicle in front of entrance to hospital improper. Where the slippery road sign is seen on the road, the driver shall reduce the speed by changing the gear. Overtaking is prohibited in following circumstances: when it is likely to cause inconvenience or danger to other traffic. Overtaking when approaching a bend, not permissible. Drunken driving, prohibited in all vehicles. Use of horn prohibited near hospital, courts of law. Rear view mirror is used for watching the traffic approaching from behind. Boarding in and alighting from a vehicle while in a motion, prohibited in all vehicles. Each vehicle have to obtain PUCC in every 6 months interval after 1 year from date of initial registration. When fuel is filled in a vehicle, shall not smoke. Mobile phones shall not be used while driving a vehicle. Overtaking is prohibited when the road ahead is not clearly visible. The pedestrians shall not cross the road at a sharp bends or very near to a stopped vehicle. Why? Drivers of other vehicle coming at a distance may not see persons crossing the road. Documents of private vehicles are registration certificate, insurance certificate, tax token, PUCC, driving license. The sign represents order to stop the vehicle from behind. The sign represents order to stop the vehicle from front and behind. The sign represents order to stop the vehicle from front. The sign represents intends to turn right. The sign represents intends to turn left. The sign represents intends to slow down the vehicle. The sign represents intends to stop the vehicle. Validity of PUCC pollution under control certificate 6 months. While you are driving with the headlight in a high beam during a night, a vehicle approaches from opposite direction, you will dim the headlight till the vehicle passes. Minimum age for getting a license to drive motorcycle without gear is 16 years. When you see the traffic sign school, you should slow down and proceed with a caution. While turning to the left, the driver of two-wheeler shall, with his right hands, the sign while taking U-turn, right turn sign. The driver of a vehicle shall not take U-turn in a busy road. One-time tax of a car at West Bengal is for 5 years. Before overtaking a vehicle, it should be ensured that no other vehicle is overtaking me, the road ahead is clearly visible, and it is safe to overtake. Number of persons can be carried in the cabin of good carriers. As many persons as recorded in the registration certificate. When your vehicle is being overtaken, you shall not obstruct the other vehicle from overtaking.